Welcome to the allotment. It's been a while. I think it's been 3 weeks for various reasons that I haven't been here, and this is the situation. So the weeds I dug have gone down, but they have been replaced. There's not too much work. Got some seedlings, some brassicas to put in. I'll put those in here once I've cleared this out. That could probably come out actually. This is just ornamental. I get the feeling there's a lot of mosquitoes around, but I couldn't find any spray, so I'm gonna have to keep moving.
I'm Frank Desley.
And I'm Des Franklin.
And Des, look at the scene there. Probably a lot of mosquitoes on the plot today.
Oh, yes, that's right, Frank. There's going to be clouds of them. Clouds. Oh, would like to be there.
Mosquitoes, terrible little things, aren't they?
They are terrible little things. They're worse than midges, aren't they?
Scottish midges, yes. I remember when I was doing me John O'Groats to Land's End bike ride.
But you what, Frank? You never did Land's End to John O'Groats, or vice versa.
Really? Well, who did that?
I don't know. Wasn't me. But you're right about the midges. They're terrible, aren't they?
They're terrible. But, you know, mosquitoes carry diseases, though.
Do they? What? Like what? Like obesity?
No, not like obesity. How could a mosquito give you obesity?
I don't know. Isn't it a virus?
No.
Or a bacteria or something?
Of course not.
Well, what is it then?
What, obesity?
Yes. What's it caused by?
Too many sweeties.
Really? Too many sweeties is not good for you.
Apparently not, Des.
But you eat them all the time. You're eating them right now.
Yeah,
Oh,
well, look, hang
Hang
on. John's pulling out onions. Let's see what he's doing.
they're rubbish onions.
Des,
those.
shh. Just let him pull it out.
I went to the garden centre. I bought these various brassicas. Let's get them out. And it's cauliflower. I got like 2 of everything. Cauliflower. Got a kale. Oh, it's already been eaten. Bloody hell. Little kale. Got to get these in. These have been on the balcony for like a week. The mosquitoes are bloody.
Ooh, the mosquitoes are back, Frank.
You can't escape them, Des, you know.
Couldn't you spray them with chemicals or something?
Well, actually, yes, you could. That's a very good idea.
Hello, good morning. We're out for a ride. It's October the 1st, and although it's not cold, it is cool, and it is starting to get cloudy now. So I think summer is pretty much over. You can see the red spider lilies, more about those later. So we'll leave John working there on the allotment with his mosquitoes, achieving basically nothing except weeds, and we'll go off for an ice cream. We're heading off to Enomoto Dairy Farm because I collected my 10 stamps. So today I'm entitled to a free ice cream, and that's the best kind, isn't it, eh? Free ice cream. Oh yeah, can't beat the free ice cream. These are the red spider lilies. I really love these flowers. They're so delicate, but mysterious and deadly. Actually, they are poisonous, these bulbs, the red spider lily. These are the higambana. Higambana is the equinox flower, because that's when they start to flower, at the equinox, which was about 2 weeks ago. And this section here has this exceptional avenue which I think are all planted, but you know, they come up like this. They have no leaves. They come out of the ground just like this, and they come straight up. I shouldn't really touch them because they are a bit toxic. And they have this beautiful vermilion color. And the structure, you can see here, there are, how many? 6, 7 kind of little flowerets, and each one has these amazing curved stamens, is that what they are? With a little tiny yellow dot at the end. But they do grow from a bulb at the bottom. The bulb is poisonous. And a long time ago, people would plant these around the cemeteries and around fields to stop animals, to stop them digging up, because the animals know that these are poisonous. But they are amazing. But they're only here for like 3 weeks, and then they die back, and that's it. They're gone for the whole rest of the year, and there's like no trace. And then this time next year, they just appear. Apparently in Japan they have like 50 different names. One of them is, I don't know if it's in Japan, but it's like the magic lily. You know, because they just appear. They're great. I love them. This is, I think this is kudzu, which I think is Japanese as well as English. As you can see, it's a kind of a vine, but this vine will just take over. Can you see that? It's completely climbed over that tree and those trees. Yeah, kudzu. In Japan, apparently there's some beetle that eats it, but it's not eating this. In the United States, it's like a major invasive species, and it's just, it grows so fast, you can't get rid of it. What are you gonna do? Eh? I don't know. But yeah. Oh yes. It's chocolate, of course. Nama choco. That's what they call it. Mmm. Michael changed the inner tube. Hallelujah. Michael changed the inner tube. Hallelujah. Sister, give me a cup of tea. Hallelujah. Oh God, I'm being eaten alive by the mosquitoes. It's just driving me crazy. I can't, I did go to the drugstore looking for the spray, but I couldn't find it. Maybe they think the season's finished. Well, it's not. It's not finished at all. You come down here and tell me the season's finished. And, you know, mosquito bites are annoying at the best of times, but I was reading in the news today that there was a case of encephalitis down in the south. Encephalitis is you know, brain disease caused by mosquito bites, so that's something to think about. Yeah, should have brought a spray. Anyway, I planted those brassicas, bunged them in, They're probably too close. Maybe I can thin them out next time when I've got some spray. People have planted new things. I was going to plant those. I brought some daikon seeds, but it's just too annoying. Like the mosquito bites, when they bite you, you know, then a little later you feel, and it's just incredibly annoying. Ooh, I think that's one of those
murder hornets.
You know, you don't want to mess with the
murder hornets.
It's 12:12. I'm gonna go, I think. Unless I just keep walking around faster than the mosquitoes. I think I'm on a hiding to nothing here. So this is John saying thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.